Hey everyone, today we're tackling an iPhone 14 with a boot looping issue. Upon inspection, we found an expanded battery and a broken back glass. Let's dive in to fix it. Start by gently heating up the back glass to soften the adhesive. This makes it easier to remove it without causing further damage. Carefully use your pry tool to lift the broken back glass. Take your time to avoid any sharp edges. With the back open, now you can see the expanded battery. Unscrew the connectors and gently lift out the battery. Place the new battery in, secure the connectors, and apply adhesive for the new back glass. Press it firmly to ensure a good seal. And there you have it, a quick fix to get the iPhone 14 back in action.